that the Lord has made. Welcome back to my channel, Twisted African. Today we're going to be making chicken rice with fried chicken. The chicken rice is basically the sauce I got from cooking the chicken, so that's basically it. We're gonna use the stock from the chicken to make the rice, and then we're going to fry our chicken. So our chicken is already cooked. It's spicy, very spicy. I actually cooked. If you want to know how I cook this, please leave me a comment and I'll do a video of that for you. But it's already cooked. We have our chicken stock here. We have our oil for the rice. This is the oil for the chicken that we are going to fry. We will first of all fry the chicken, and then we will cook the rice. I have some vegetables, not many vegetables, but you know, just the carrots, the onion, the green pepper. That's what I have for my rice. For my chicken, I'm just gonna put my onions on and then sprinkle my khebab powder. Khebab powder, when you go to the market in Ghana, you should be able to obtain some of it. So yeah, let's get into it. We're just gonna put in our chicken. What we're going to do is cook the rice. Yeah. First of all, we need to put our oil in there. We're going to actually fry the rice before we put the other stuff in it, the stock, and then a little water in it for it to cook. We'll also put in our vegetables before we cook the whole food. So this is not going to be where we finish cooking the food and put the vegetables onto the rice and stir. No, this is going, everything is going in straight away. So let's first of all put the rice in. There is this beauty of actually cooking your, you know, food to eat. You don't have to always buy from outside. So there is this good thing about it, you know. I don't know, it makes you feel good first, and then you know it's healthy because you did it yourself, so it's good. Now whilst this is frying, I'm just gonna put in my vegetables straight in. Like I said, everything is going in straight away. We are not waiting for nobody. Yeah. Just mix it in there. Then we're gonna pour in our stock, our chicken stock. Oh, that sound. Let's stir everything in. You can see I did not add any salt to the rice because I have my stock in there. Now the stock, how I made it, you know, I already added my seasoning that was a little salty, so you don't really need much. Now as you can see, oh god, the smell. This is how it's looking now. Now with this, you can't really cook the rice properly, and I don't want the rice to be soft either. So I'm just gonna put a little more water into this thing, and then cover it for it to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, the smell. Now, in the same bowl that I had my stock in, I've actually put water in. I didn't rinse it off because you know, the rest of the stock that is in would do magic for me. So you just do it bit by bit. You don't want the rice to be too soft, like I said before. Oh, see guys, this, oh my god. Okay, let's add the rest of the water. Let's just put the rest in. Off you go. Okay, now because we had to put in more water, you're gonna have to taste the liquid on this rice to make sure the salt level is indeed okay. Okay, now this is perfect, not salty, you know, but just perfect. Because don't forget, you have to eat with your chicken, and oh my god, the smell from the frying of the vegetables and the rice and the stock all together is just amazing. So since we've done this, we're going to reduce the heat a little. I'm going to take it back to 800 because I don't want it to burn. That's it, I don't want it to burn. So now this is it. We're just going to cover it now, and then we will come back in 20 to 30 minutes and see how delicious food has turned out. Okay, so rice looks cooked. Not too soft, not too hard, just right texture. Okay, so let me taste that. Yep, rice is good. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, let's put this off, and then let's start the dishing process. Okay, shift this on the side. This here. See how small everything is, so that way you get all the taste from actually cooking it. And this is what, this is fresh onion, so just, you know, separate them and just sprinkle them on the chicken. Please, if you are making this food for a visitor or someone, just make sure you wash your hands properly or you wear gloves. That's all. That's fine. My hands are washed though, but I'm the one eating this, so let's just put that. And then our pepper. Now a lot of this doesn't hurt, so we're just gonna, you know, keep putting. Doesn't hurt at all. Khebab powder is always good. Okay, that's our chicken dished. Now we're going to dish our rice. Make sure dish it beautifully, rinsed nicely. Okay. This is how it looks. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment as well. You can eat this with any sauce of choice, tomato sauce or shito, as we call it in Ghana, shito, but it can also be called black pepper. You can use chili sauce, the green pepper. So yeah, this is it. So until next time, it's bye bye.